Welcome back to the Valuehub YouTube channel. I believe that you have enjoyed our previous videos on Slack. So keeping up the promise to deliver the ultimate learning series, we will be looking at messaging and formatting concepts in Slack today. So without additional delay, let's get started. Before that, let's discuss why we are even discussing this topic. A good conversation happens when we have clarity in our tone. And how do we do that in writing? We can do this by formatting the messages. It helps add detail and clarity to our messages, and Slack has a rich formatting feature. So let's visit our org. As we have arrived in our org, we will see what's inside the message box. At the top, we have a font editor. We have buttons that help us change the text into bold, italics, and strike through. Let's check this. If we want to change a text into bold, we need to select the text and click on this bold button. Alternatively, we can select the text and press Ctrl plus B. It will change the text into bold, and to use the italics feature, press Ctrl plus I. And the third one is strike through. If you want to strike through a word and press Ctrl Shift and X. Let's do this. We have selected the word. We have pressed Ctrl Shift and X. As you can see, we have used these features using the shortcut key. We have the link button followed by bullets and block code. And if you want to share a code with your team, you can share it by using the code feature or code block feature. Formatting the message is very fun, but before that, we need to know that the best practice is to make it short, plus we should make it easy to read. Let's do this practically. Suppose we need to share today's update with our team. We can provide the update like, "Hi team, press Shift plus Enter to go to the next line. Here, here is a quick update." Although this is a good presentation, but we can make it better. Let's add some formatting. Let's copy this message. We can select this and press Ctrl and C. Here we can paste this message and we will add some formatting to make it better. In the first line, we can add emoji by clicking on the emoji button. We will add wave, so we can search for wave and select on the emoji. The second line, we will select the emoji, press Ctrl plus P, and for these three lines, we can select these and we can use either ordered list or bullet list. We will use the ordered list. Now we will use the block code button. Whatever button we are going to use, first we need to select the text. Here we can select the text, click on the block code, and now the last line is in the block code. One more feature we are going to use, and that is the link button. Here, whenever we want to provide a link, it's better to use the link button. After the info button, first we will cut the example.com URL. We will press Ctrl plus X, followed by clicking on the link button. In the text field, we will provide here, and in the link field, we will paste the link and click Save. Here we can see that our URL is inside this text. We can send this message. We can see the difference between the organized and unorganized message. Let's get back to the message box. At the bottom of the message box, we can set a couple of things by clicking on the attach button. We can create and attach the canvas. Slack Canvas is a straightforward tool for colleagues to collaborate, create, collect, and propagate information with the people who need to know it. We can use canvases to organize our weekly demos and action items. The first field is the title field where we need to provide the title, and for the description we have it below the title field. And you can see these are the couple of canvas templates. We will use the employee onboarding. As we have selected the employee onboarding, so the title will be same. And below that we have the greetings field. There is a default greeting from Slack, but you can change if required. Scrolling down, we can see a couple of columns over here. In the date column, we can provide date. Let's assume the onboarding will be done at 10:30 a.m. After that, we will keep the event description as it is. And scrolling down further, we can add a person who is joining the company. Click on this button, type the member's name, select the members, and click on the save button. Scrolling down further, we can also add a link to this canvas. As of now, we are not going to change anything further. In the coming videos, we will see these in details. So at the top right side, we can see the share button. We will click on this button. And now it's asking with whom we want to share this canvas. Again, we will type the name of the person and select the person. Click on share button and this canvas has been shared with that person. Not just canvas, we can share files as well. Let's go back to the channel again. Click on the attach button. We can see the recent files if we have. These are the recent files we have shared with other members. So we can click on it and share the same canvas here as well. Else we can use the attach button to upload files from our computer. Slack allows us to send video, audio, image, and document files. After the attach button, we have a button that hides the formatting bar. If you click on this, the bar has been hidden. Again, it has been shown. After that, there is an emoji button. We click on this. We can see all the emojis over here. And here we can see every emoji is categorized. Also, we can add our custom emojis from here. Next, we have a mention feature. So if I want to say something to a specific person, I can use a mention feature. For example, let's say, hi, let's have a call. So this message will indicate that I want to have a call with Sandeep only. After that, we have a record video clip button and record audio clip button. If we have a team in different locations, we have the option to record video or audio clip. We call this an on-demand presentation. Last but not least is a shortcut. We can use it to take actions in Slack. We can use it to call app features, workflows, or built-in features. Also, we can use this feature to invite a person. Let's invite a person using the shortcut. Go to the message box, press the slash button followed by invite, press spacebar, open a bracket, type at, followed by the name of a person you want to invite. Let me provide the name and select the person, close the bracket and press enter. Here it says, here it is asking me if I want to invite him to this channel. So I will click continue and then add. As you can see that this person is invited by me using the shortcut feature. In this fast-paced world, we often make spelling mistakes. Sometimes it is not important to clear it. Let's say if I want to write, I will be late today. As I was in a hurry, I did not pay attention that the sentence should be started with a capital letter. And without correcting this, I clicked on the send button. There won't be any issues, but sometimes the spelling mistakes cause an issue. Let me provide you with an example. So suppose if I want to write, how are you, Dave? So instead of Dave, mistakenly I type FAVE. If I send this message, I might offend Dave. To get rid of this, we can edit this message. Just hover over the message and click on the three dots button, also known as more action button. And Here you can see edit message. Click on this and just edit the message and you're good to go. So this is how we can format the message in Slack. The next video will be based on the integrations in Slack. We will be looking for ways to integrate numerous apps in Slack. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to connect with us on our social media channels as well. As always, feel free to connect with us for Slack and Salesforce implementation. Thank you for watching.